Hello and welcome. I will be showing you, my name is David Valenzuela. Welcome again. I will be showing you how to use the snipping tool in Windows 10. So without further ado, I will be beginning. So um, on the search bar here on the left hand side, I need you to type in snipping tool. And what you're going to do, you're going to click on it one time, and then you're going to position it. So all we're going to be doing, you see this where it says click new snip, you click on it once. So anything, if I want to click on all this area content here and I want to do a print screen, I just let go of it, and voila guys, right there, it's already there copied. So I click file, save as, and all I do right here, I just rename it to desktop, send it to the desktop, make sure it'll pop up there, call it a JPEG. I can minimize it, I can open it, watch what happens. There you go. You already have a print screen of your desktop with icons, and hope this will help you out how to copy very fast. It's very useful. It could be used for presentations, for pictures, stuff like that. So I highly recommend it. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.